Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to Third Wave Trades. Today I just want to do a quick update video for you guys on GameStop, ticker symbol GME, after their shareholders meeting yesterday. I'm going to try to keep this video extremely brief, no more than like 10 minutes, probably less than that, because I uploaded a much longer video over the weekend. Unfortunately, it didn't really catch the algorithm, didn't get too many views, but that's a much bigger picture for what I think is going to happen for the next 2 to 3 weeks, and down the line. So definitely go check that out. I will put the link for that video in the description below. And again, I really recommend that you guys check that video out because there's a lot more detail in that video. Today, I kind of just want to go over what I think played out after yesterday's shareholder meeting, where we stand in the count, and the next move that I think is coming. All right, so with that being said, guys, quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research and/or consult with a financial advisor before making any trading or investment decisions. Secondly, guys, if you could, please hit the like button down below. It really helps with the algorithm and all that. Please share the video with as many people as you can. Please subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. And please hit the bell notification icon if you guys want to get any more updates as soon as my videos come out. All right, so all that being said, let's just jump straight into the video. Really quick recap that I talked about in that last video is essentially this right here, which is the bigger picture of where we stand, right? So this is the wave count. We are in this third wave, in my opinion, the red third wave right here. Within the red third wave, I believe we are in this green third wave, and within the green third wave, I believe we are getting ready to start the purple third wave, right? So that would be a very massive move once that starts. It's not clear if we've started it yet. The count is a little bit tricky, but this is the bigger picture video, right? So if you guys want to see that again, go watch the video. I'm going to put it in the description below. I go more into detail about that. But so for today, let's kind of just go over this area right here. Basically what played out after the shareholders meeting. Obviously it came out, we didn't get too many answers, and the stock kind of like just dropped a little bit. From the wave count, it's not that big of a deal. The bigger picture still stands. As you guys can see, I have these points of invalidation. There was a point of invalidation up here that got taken out, which is fine. It's not that strong of a support. Over here we have a point of invalidation at this 2270 level. We have another stronger support at 1774, and then the strongest support is going to be down here at roughly $10. So even if we take out this point of invalidation, it's not that big of a deal. I'm fairly certain this $18 level will hold, right? It just kind of changes up the minor counts in the Elliott wave, right? So instead of this is still our first wave of our third. It just means that this second wave is not completed yet, all the way to the bottom. But if this does hold this level at 2295, then that means we did first wave, and we're finishing up the second wave of this purple count right here. So we should be starting this third wave in the purple count. All right, so let's zoom in and take a look at that on a closer time frame. All right, guys, so here we are on the 5-minute chart, and this is again that purple count that I'm looking at right now, and it's about 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. So the market is still live right now, pretty much about to hit power hour soon. So this could change based off of what happens in the last hour of trading, and then obviously after hours. But I kind of just want to get this out to you guys as quick as possible. So either this correction is still playing out right here, right, from the and this is kind of like the last part of this correction, in which case, like I said, if we take out this blue point of invalidation, then that means here is the bottom of our second wave, and this is kind of like a WXY, a longer correction playing out, and then we start the massive third. If this blue level holds and we bounce from here, then we could still say that this was the end of our second right here, and this purple count still stands, right? So this would be our first, For the purple count, this is the A, B, C, the finish right here, and we could be starting to move soon, sooner than later. So it really just matters on whether or not this level holds, and once we kind of like really bounce back. We look like we kind of got to bounce over here. There is some like, you can see divergence between this move and the RSI, so it looks like we could be getting a bounce, but there's no volume really coming in yet, which is what I would expect for once a third wave rally starts, and that volume's not there yet. So it could be that this correction is still finishing, and this level may not hold, this 22 level. But again, I do think that this 1760 level will hold. So it's not a big deal. It just, this becomes part of a longer correction, and then the massive move will start soon, right? So we did have, this right here was, I was kind of hesitant about calling this an impulsive wave, and because it looked very choppy, and that level of got invalidated, right, yesterday after the shareholders meeting. So we were drawing this as a 1-2, possible 1-2, and then the third, but that got taken out. So we still have this level, which as of right now is holding. This correction could be complete over here, right? This is our first, and then this is our second down here. Again, if this breaks, then most likely we are in a WXY correction going all the way back to here. So this was our W, this was our X, and this is our Y playing out. Should hold over here, and this would be a great opportunity to buy using that 1771 as a stop loss. So that's kind of like the micro details. I'm also examining this move right here right now in terms of the Wyckoff method, right? So right, if we zoom in over here, you can see we're kind of accumulating towards the bottom of this. If we get to the top of this channel, roughly around $26.21, we should be at the end of this correction, and we could push a lot higher. But again, there is room for this to fall a little bit further. As of right now, I have this playing out as if this was our spring move that we got this morning towards like 2360, and since then we bounced back to the top of this channel to form a minor sign of strength. This could be the last point of support, and then we could push higher, but again, the volume is just not there yet, which is what you would expect in a phase C or D, so phase D or E rather. So it's very likely that we might have one more push coming down. But as of right now, we could kind of, tentatively say that this was the bottom. This was a first wave up, this is a second wave playing, and then we should get a push up. So that could look something like this. Right. Again, this is a smaller time frame. This is only a 5-minute chart, but yeah, this could be our first wave, second wave. If it's not here, then possibly is finishing out somewhere around here, and then we could get a big push up. I want to see us break the 2620 area, consolidate above that, and then there's a good chance that we'll push higher. As you can see right now, it's still in the middle of this channel, so it's kind of deciding, we're not sure who's stronger yet, buyers or sellers at this level. But that's pretty much it, guys. And this same accumulation that is happening right now, you guys can see on a much larger time frame. This is an hourly time frame. That's this local accumulation playing out, as I talked about in the last video. And this is our phase C, where you normally expect a spring, and we didn't have the strongest spring yet, so it is possible that we will get pushed out of this channel and break that level of invalidation that I was talking about. But if this holds, then it just means that it's, like I said, accumulation schematic number 2. Buyers are stronger than sellers, and then we should get a push higher in this channel. So that is a local accumulation that we just saw on the 5-minute time frame right here. This is basically what is playing out right here in a larger picture. So I expect us, if we do break out of this local accumulation, to come up higher in this accumulation, this larger accumulation, get to the top of D, consolidate, and push higher. That would all coincide with the third wave of our third wave count. All right, so that's all I got for you guys today. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button, please subscribe to the channel, and please share this video with as many people as you can. I'll be back with more, with an update on AMC and FFIE. Appreciate you guys watching. Peace.